This might take a while.
Well, it has to be done just right.
Good job. There you go. Yeah, good job.
Wow.
I'll get that open.
I forgot to bring scissors over. They're sitting on the counter over there. Amy, can you smile to the camera? With your crazy hair. Say Merry Christmas, Annie.
Okay, here you go. Almost. Oh, good job.
Annie.
What is that?
Oh, wow. Aww. Annie, what baby is that? Look. You can get it out. That's my baby. Annie. Aw, that's such a great baby. I know. Do you want to take that baby out and put that baby in? Yeah. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen that in so long. Annie.
Baby's head is going to be very warm.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Wow. Pretty good at this mommy thing. Should we open it and see what's in it, Annie? And you're going to be able to feed your baby. It probably has tape on it here. What are those? Is that for the baby? And look, Annie. She get out a bottle. I wonder if she'll know what to do with a bottle. Wow. Annie, can you feed the baby? Look, the baby you put night-night.
Bottle?
Do you know what this is, Annie?
Wow.
Wow, good job. Who is that for? Annie, look at the baby. See, can you feed the baby? Oh, good job. That's right, it's milk. Uh-huh. Daddy's got the juice.
Juice.
Oh.
Here, Annie, look, another blanket.
Can you cover up the baby?
Wow.
Annie, are you gonna take care of your babies? Annie, where's the juice at? Can you show Mommy the juice? Was the baby thirsty?
Here, put it in here.
There.
That's fine, not gonna work.
All right, Annie. Can you say thanks, Gigi? That was from Gigi. Can you say thanks, Gigi? Annabelle. Annie. Can you say I love you, Gigi? Me and my crazy hair. Merry Christmas.